In front of me is Lenovo Tab E10, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Following that, select this plus at the bottom left corner and then tap on one of your photos right away. You can also select this gallery icon next to camera and pick your photos over here. When you finished, click on the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!